Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Sam. Today we're talking about a simple but emotionally dramatic experience, getting stuck in traffic.
Traffic sounds like a normal, everyday thing, but inside it feels like a whole journey.
It's one of those situations where your patience gets tested slowly, gently, and painfully.
Traffic teaches you lessons you didn't ask for. Listener, maybe you're actually stuck in traffic right now.
If you are, then this episode is literally your companion.
We hope our voice makes the moment softer. The funny thing about traffic is that it always feels unexpected. Even if the road is known for traffic, you are still surprised every time it happens.
You think today it won't happen, and then it happens bigger.
The first few minutes are always calm.
You believe the cars will move soon, so you don't complain.
You still have hope. That beautiful, early traffic hope. But as the minutes pass, nothing moves.
Not the car ahead, not the bike beside you, not even a leaf sometimes.
Everything is frozen like a painting. And suddenly, you notice the sound of the honking.
Yes, honking becomes the national language of traffic.
People honk even though nothing moves.
Same. Did they think cars magically jump when they hear noise?
Traffic logic is mysterious. Listener, have you ever whispered, "Please move, please," to the car in front of you?
I have done that so many times. It's like talking to a stubborn friend.
Emotional attachment to the car in front. Relatable. And then there's the heat.
Yes, if it's a sunny day, it feels like the sun is sitting inside your car.
Heat plus traffic equals emotional meltdown recipe. When you're stuck alone, the silence feels heavier.
Your mind goes to strange places. You think about random memories, embarrassing moments, future fears.
Traffic turns your brain into a drama writer. Sometimes I look at other drivers and try to guess their stories.
Same. I look at someone and think, he looks like he regrets all his life choices.
Traffic brings out the psychologist in all of us. And there's always one person singing loudly in their car.
And they don't care who watches. They are in their own music video.
Honestly, I love those people. Then you see someone eating snacks peacefully.
Yes, they open their chips like it's a picnic.
Traffic becomes a restaurant. Listener, maybe you also do small activities during traffic. Checking your phone, adjusting the mirror, fixing your hair.
Or pretending to be busy so you don't think too much.
Pretending is a survival skill. The worst is when you're late for something important.
Traffic somehow knows when you're in a hurry and slows down even more.
It's like the universe saying, let's add some challenge. I've had moments where I sat completely still for 10 minutes straight.
Yes, those moments feel like the world paused, but your stress didn't.
You start thinking, will I ever reach home again? But traffic also gives you time to observe life.
Yes, kids walking to school, people chatting, street vendors selling snacks.
You see small stories happening around you. Sometimes I look at the sky to calm myself.
Silence, clouds, they move peacefully while everything on the ground is chaotic.
The sky teaches patience. Rain in traffic is a whole new mood.
Raindrops on the window, blurred lights, soft sounds.
Traffic becomes weirdly cozy.
But rain also makes the jam worse.
Yes, people start driving like they've forgot how cars work. Rain exposes everyone's driving skills. Listener, maybe you've cried in traffic before.
Many people do. Traffic is slow and emotions get loud.
Sometimes the stillness brings feelings up. I once cried quietly while stuck in a jam.
Really?
Yes, and a stranger from the next car gave me a small smile. It helped more than they knew. Traffic can make you overthink everything.
Did I do enough today? Am I going in the right direction? What am I doing with my life?
Traffic becomes therapy without the therapist. To distract myself, I sometimes focus on one small thing: a dog walking, a tree, a shop sign.
Yes, grounding yourself helps the anxiety.
Attention becomes peace. Then suddenly the traffic starts moving.
Everyone gets excited for 3 seconds, and then it stops again. Hope crushed.
There's always that one moment when you ask yourself, should I change this lane?
Yes, and whichever lane you pick becomes the slowest one.
Lane-changing karma is real. Listener, maybe you check the mirror every few seconds.
Or look at your phone for the time again and again.
Time loses meaning in traffic. But being stuck is also a reminder that you're alive.
You're part of the world, part of its slowness, its movement, and its pauses.
Life is not always fast. Sometimes I see people in auto rickshaws having full conversations.
Yes, strangers become friends because traffic gives them time.
Traffic builds unexpected connections. When the jam finally clears, you feel a wave of relief. It's like taking a deep breath after holding it for too long.
You feel alive again.
Listener, if you're stuck right now, remember this.
You can't control the cars, but you can control your mind.
Make the moment gentle.
Play music, breathe slowly, look outside.
Let the world move at its pace. You'll reach where you have to. Just not right now.
Traffic teaches patience.
And patience teaches peace. Every slow moment has a soft lesson hidden inside it. Thank you for staying with us through this long, cozy talk. We hope your traffic jams feel lighter from now on.
And if you're stuck right now,
It will move, eventually.